Hello and welcome to Cycle 3 Hands-on Science Week 1. Today we're going to learn about persistence of vision. Your eyes and your brain have to work together to see the world. When your eyes are open, whatever you're looking at shines in through a little hole in the front of your eyeball, called the pupil, and onto the back of your eyeball, called the retina. The retina sends that information up to the brain through the optic nerve, and we see it. But something funny happens when whatever we're looking at goes away. The brain keeps seeing it for a short moment, about 1/16th of a second. Information going from your retina to your brain works just the same way as if I pour this cup of water into this marble track. The top of the track is like the retina. The bottom of the track is like